we're changing things up, walking through a maritime forest trail, working our way out to the sound to throw around some baits, trying to catch a couple largemouth bass, just to have something to do and wet a line in between all the rain and high wind that we've been having here at the Outer Banks. So just trying to figure stuff out as we go, given the weather that we have. The trip hasn't gone exactly as I had hoped so far. I'd prefer to put together a nice long video of multiple catches, but it looks like we might wind up putting little segments together that we can manage along the way with the conditions that we have. Trying to make some lemonade out of lemons, I guess. So stay tuned, we'll see what happens. So it's been blowing 10 to 15, gusting to 20 out there on the sound. In here where I'm at are some little creeks and things off of the main sound out there, and this is where we're going to throw some baits around from this dock structure and see if we can wet a line and catch a fish. Stay tuned, we'll find out. Fish. Stay on, buddy. There's a fish. It's a bass. Stay there, buddy. Don't jump anymore. Here we go. Target acquired. Alright. Not a bad one either. Target acquired. Nice healthy fish. Look at that. Nice one. Pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds. Pretty heavy. Eat that soft plastic, curly tail soft plastic we were throwing around. Look at him looking around. All right, love it. So even though the weather's not impressing me as far as the kayak, still get out and catch us a fish. Nice bass. Nice bass. Didn't bring a rag with me. Hooked him good, right in the jaw too. Himself good. There you go. All right. I will take that all day long right there. He's looking at the camera, moving his eyes around. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. There you go, buddy. So this is tidal freshwater, and I really like to throw spinner baits a lot. It's just kind of my thing, fishing freshwater, but I'm using this weedless bait here because we're in late spring now and the grass is really starting to grow in a lot off the bottom, so you've got to be able to work through all that grass. If I was throwing a spinner bait, I'd be all snagged up all the time. I wonder what fish that was. It's the angle I need to take right here. in the wrong angle. There it is. And got it. Might be the same fish I caught a minute ago. Oh, that's a pike. A pickerel, rather. Look at that. Ha ha, it's a pickerel. That's awesome. That's like my first pickerel in a minute. And look what he did to my bait. That is awesome. He tore that bait up. All right, so we just landed a pickerel. I have not caught a pickerel since I was a kid. That's how long it's been since I've caught one of these fish. And I'm excited about that. Real pretty fish. I didn't even know they were in here. So that's another species that are in here that I was not even aware of. Oh, and there he goes. He just released himself right back into the water. That's awesome. I love it. All right, so that pickerel pretty much destroyed my other soft plastic, so we've had to switch over to another bait that I've got confidence with. Little green pumpkin seed Guggen bait that I've caught bass with before. Let's see if that works. Stay hooked. Stay hooked, baby. Another bass. Nice bass. All right. Ooh, he just popped off too. Easy now. Easy, 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 easy. Easy. I got you. All right. All right, that's fish number 3. Nice little bass on the Guggen green pumpkin seed bait. Nice fish. Let's get her back. You ready, buddy? Here we go. Oh, I had him. Oh, that was a bass. I saw his tail. Bummer. It was a pretty decent one too. Oh well. All right, that's going to do it for this segment of the video. I guess this is going to wind up being a single segmented video about the travels of traveling fish at the Outer Banks. I'd hope to do maybe a couple of single multi-catch of the same species video, but it doesn't look like it's going to work out that way. Went to go out in the kayak this morning, started pouring down rain. There have been storm cells moving through constantly, so I decided to wave off for today, and it kind of cleared up a little bit this afternoon, so I came out to this spot to see what I could do. Managed a couple of fish. I'll take it all day long, and I'd like to maybe come back out in this area in my kayak There's a lot of little tributaries like this along the main body of the sound here behind me that I'd love to explore. So stay tuned, we'll see what's next. I have no idea. Here's your friendly neighborhood beaver getting across the water.